it's Hey Mom, and today I'm going to show you how to make Pillsbury flaky cinnamon rolls in your toaster oven. Don't forget to spray your sheet with some Pam or grease it. So the first thing you need to do is to peel off the instructions. Oops. And it pops. Sometimes it doesn't pop. When it doesn't pop, I give it a little whack on the counter. So now I turn it, dumping the rolls onto the sheet. And then there's a little frosting in here. I set that aside. The next thing I do is I take the rolls apart and I place them onto the cookie sheet. You aren't cooperating with me today. It's okay, you just put them back together. Like that. The next thing I do is I put them into the toaster oven. I set it to bake for 10 minutes. Looking good. Now it's time to take them out. They look beautiful. Golden brown, flaky, good stuff. Put some icing, the icing that came with it. And I just put a little dollop on each roll. They're ready. Can't wait to eat them. Yum.